it. Now I come to the tragedy that is faced by the Hindus. Assam mein BJP came to power in 2015, 2016. They conducted the NRC. All through the NRC procedure that was conducted, the BJP rightly, completely supported it. Then came the results of the NRC, and the BJP refused to implement it because 19 lakh people were excluded. Out of that, roughly 30%, 40% were Bengali Hindus, said to be immigrants who came from Bangladesh. Now, the BJP conducted NRC, refused to accept the validity of the NRC. Why? Now, I want to put in a caveat out here. The problem, as I've always been saying, is that when this subcontinent was divided on religious lines and Muslims were given their country, Hindus should have a right of return. Bangladeshi Hindus should be allowed to return to India. Same with Pakistani Hindus. Those 7 million Bengali Hindus who possibly came before 1971, after Bangladesh partition, just before it, did not have the relevant documents, should just be allowed to stay in India. So the NRC that Assam conducted should be made valid. BJP should stop dilly-dallying, should accept it. All Hindus should have a right of return like Israel has the right of return for Jews. Because for Muslims, there is already land that was given in Pakistan and Bangladesh now, and Muslims who want to stay in India are legally staying out here.
Now,